Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we have this position. It is white to play and deliver checkmate in just 2 moves. As you can see, we have 2 pieces, a queen and a rook, and black has 3 pieces and our queen is under attack. And with all of this information, guys, go ahead, pause the video and guess the move as always. Good luck. Okay, so this one is kind of easy, guys, but let me show you what would happen if we just played the most obvious moves, and I am going to jump straight into the best move, the correct move. So first, taking the bishop would look like checkmate, because this is going to be would look like the solution, because queen to e1 would be just checkmate, right? We are threatening checkmate on e1 and black has nothing to do about it. We simply go there on e1 and deliver a checkmate. But here what black can do is play knight to f2, and yes, this is going to be checkmate, but if you count this, the knight moves to f2 to block the checkmate, and this is actually checkmate in 3, and the challenge is to deliver checkmate in only 2 moves, and obviously this is not the solution. The other clever thing you may probably try is playing king to b3. Now this time it would be just checkmate, you might say, because after black captures our queen, we simply play rook to e1, and that would be just checkmate, and that indeed is checkmate in 2. But again, the problem with this move is black is not forced to capture this. Black can move the king away, and this is not checkmate, right? This is checkmate in 3. So all of these are checkmate in 3, and they are not the correct move. Actually, the correct move is to play queen to d5. So what does this do? First, we are threatening checkmate on a2, we are threatening checkmate on d1, and also we are looking at e1. So that is the main purpose of putting the queen on d5, and black can't deal with these 3 traits, and that is why that is the only solution. So here black may just capture the queen, we simply move rook to e1 and deliver a checkmate, and if black didn't capture the queen, obviously we are going to play queen to a2, and if black plays here, tell me what do we do? We play queen to d4, and yet it doesn't look like, but this is another checkmate trait, and black can't stop all of this. Obviously black can't play here, we simply play queen to a2. So this is the solution of the puzzle. So guys, to see similar chess puzzle videos, especially long chess puzzle videos, you can just go into my channel and you can just subscribe the channel and wait the next video. I will upload every day, so any video is uploaded every day tomorrow. So guys, thank you again for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye.